Anyway, I'm going to do a bit of dermablading tonight because I haven't done it and it's due to be done, and I thought that I would show you anyway. So I'm just going to put on my little thing to get my hair out of the way and show you how I do it. It's so simple. I cannot take myself seriously with this on, but I have to do it, otherwise I'll end up shaving off my sideburns. And if anybody remembers and has followed me for a couple of years, I used to shave my sideburns off and it was the worst decision I've ever made in my whole entire life, and they used to grow back and I used to look like autumnus. They used to be like little tufts like sticking out, and it was an awful time. Never again will I shave my sideburns, so I just have to make sure they're tucked behind my ears. Anyway, I'm using a like a dermablading hair removal little thing. You've probably seen me use this before. It's from Hollywood Browzer and it comes like this. One side is smaller for your eyebrows. Obviously I had mine done yesterday, so I'm not going to touch them, but this is what I was using just to keep the shape of them. It's like a really simple tool. It can go in your monobrow and curves underneath your brows and above them, but the side that I'm going to be using tonight is just a normal side, and I'm just going to get all my peach fuzz off just to give my face a nice smooth finish. So I do this, to be fair, I don't really have a normal time schedule on how often I do this. I do it every 4 to 6 weeks roughly if I'm trying to think about it, but I do it when I'm sat in the, you know, when you're sat in the car and so basically I get like hairs on my chin, like blonde hairs on my chin, quite a lot of hairs on my cheeks, and then obviously my lips and stuff. But you can also use this for, like, you know, toe hair. We all get toe hair, let's be honest, who's kidding? I have, like, you can get toe hair on your big toe, so I just use this and get that off. You can use it if you're conscious about like the hair on the back of your neck. There's so many different things you can use it for, but I just use it for my face, mainly my upper lip and under my chin, and then my cheeks. I'm going to show you how to do it. I personally apply a bit of a cream just to make it a bit smoother. You don't have to apply a cream or like a prep or a prime, you don't have to. I personally do. I'm doing this for so long now, I just prefer the way the razor feels on my skin when I've got a bit of cream on. So I'm just going to apply this Nivea cream on and then show you how I do it. It's so simple. So I've got my razor, I guess that's what you call it, and this little puff thing. So this is what it looks like. I do clean it, but you can kind of see a line on there. This is what it looks like clear, and what I will do is I'll pull the hair off my face and wipe it on here and show you like how much comes off, how much dead skin, dead cells, peach fuzz, and just crap really comes off. And I just find doing this leaves my face smoother, and my foundation applies so much nicely. It's not sitting on any skin. So I will just there's no point me showing you the whole face, but you kind of get the gist. You just get the brush. I like to pull my face up and I just pull down. And then same with my lip. You're just getting all of that, whatever that is, off of your skin. And then the same with my chin hair. I get loads of blonde ones down here. You'll be so surprised at like what actually comes off. So yeah, I just repeat the process. Then I just apply that moisturiser again back to my face. As you can see, I've barely done any and this much has come off already. So it's one of those really satisfying things to do, and you really do see a difference with it. It's really gentle on the skin. Although it might sound like it's not, it is. I'm literally just pushing this down and getting all of that nasty off of your face, leaving your face nice and smooth. So that's all done. I definitely recommend getting the poof thing as well, because when I didn't have this and I was just doing it before and like wiping it off on like tissue, you don't actually get to see how much you're actually taking off. So having something black to wipe it off with I definitely recommend. I've seen a few questions pop up. My hair hasn't grown back thicker or darker. I was worried like you guys at the start, thinking, oh god, but you know, when you shave something, does it come back thicker and darker? It doesn't. Mine still comes back like blonde and fluffy, and you wouldn't like before. So I haven't seen a difference in it coming back thicker or anything like that. Again, you just kind of do this as and when you want to. You don't have to do your whole face all the time. You can literally just pull it on your chin or on your lip like whenever you want. You don't have to do the whole face. I just tend to wait and do the whole face because my hairs are quite blonde and fine anyway. So yeah, I would have shown you how to use the other end of this. But I will show you when I'm due to like just touch. And then to finish off, I did just go back in with my moisturiser just to moisturise my face, and it's not left it red or irritated at all. So I believe it's a 20% discount the Chloe SW will get you on the Hollywood Browzer website. You can obviously just buy the browser itself if you want to give it a go, but I do really recommend getting something black to put it on, or just getting the poof, because it's got one of those things as well that you can put your hand in. And I'll just put this in the washing machine now. It'll be ready for when I want to use it again. And another thing, this comes in like that, so you're not going to jab yourself if you like put it. I put this in with my makeup brushes, so then I know where it is all the time, so it just like tucks in, and it's perfect to put in your handbag. You know, when you're sat in the car and you see like a hair in the mirror, I'm always like, oh. So yeah, I need to get another one really for the car, because I always see them when I'm looking in the car mirror. But anyway, I'm going to go make some steak and chips because I'm absolutely ravenous.